Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a Fiverr gig. Whether you're cleaning up your profile, removing outdated services, or simply reorganizing your offerings, this process is straightforward and takes just a few clicks. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. This will bring you to your Fiverr dashboard, where you can manage all aspects of your freelancing business. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll find several options for managing your Fiverr account. Click on My Business. This section is your hub for all the services you offer and the business side of your profile. From the drop-down that appears, select Gigs. This will take you to a page displaying all the gigs you currently have active on your profile. Take a moment to browse through your gigs and locate the specific one you want to delete. Once you've found it, look to the right side of that gig listing. You'll notice a small drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal several options for managing that particular gig. From these options, select Delete. This action tells Fiverr that you want to permanently remove this gig from your profile. After clicking Delete, a confirmation message will appear at the top of the page. This is Fiverr's way of making sure you really want to go through with this action, since deleting a gig is permanent and cannot be undone. If you're certain about your decision, click OK to confirm the deletion. Your gig will now be removed from your profile and will no longer be visible to potential buyers. And that's it. You've successfully removed a gig from your Fiverr profile, giving you a cleaner, more focused selection of services. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.